have partnered with the Nature Conservancy across the country and here in South Carolina for a long time. It's their 50-year anniversary being in South Carolina, and it's Boeing South Carolina's 10-year anniversary here, so it was just a great time for us to get together and do something that really gives back to our ecosystem and to the great quality of life that we have here in the Low Country.
Today we actually built an oyster reef using recycled dried oyster shells. So we were putting out material today that will in the future grow oysters, but we're also hoping that it will help protect the marsh behind it.
I've actually done one of these before with Boeing, and I thought it was a lot of fun to do, as well as when you drive past that one, you can actually see the effect that you had on the environment.
I wanted to really get into Boeing's culture and also explore like Charleston. Like, it's beautiful out here. I got a nice boat ride out of it, got to meet some cool people.
Being from the Midwest, this is very, very different for me. I'm not used to hopping in a boat and kind of going through the rivers and marshes, so it's been fantastic and a lot of fun to be learning more about the community and the ecosystem.
Water's healing, and anytime we get an opportunity to get into nature, get dirty, get on the water, good things always happen.
If we don't take care of our own coastline, Charleston's a beautiful city for reasons, ranked #1, so I want to keep it that way.
Yeah, it was fantastic to see the teamwork that was going on amongst our Boeing teammates, but then also with our Vantage Point teammates. And for us to get to learn new people, new ways of working, and then go right out there and be able to set up this assembly line together quickly with everybody having fantastic attitudes. It was just an awesome thing to get to see the way our teammates quickly absorbed what they were supposed to do and then ran out there and did it.